Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into an interesting and often misunderstood verb, pamper. Have you ever heard someone say, I need to pamper myself today, or stop pampering him so much? Well, what does pamper really mean? Can you use it correctly in daily conversations? And what are the different forms of this verb? Stick around because by the end of this video, you will have mastered the verb pamper like a pro. Let's get started. Alright, so what exactly does pamper mean? The verb pamper means to treat someone or yourself with excessive care and attention, often in a way that makes them feel comfortable, relaxed, or maybe even a little spoiled. Examples: after a long week, I like to pamper myself with a spa day. She pampers her dog with gourmet treats and designer outfits. But here's the thing, while pampering often has a positive connotation, it can sometimes have a negative side when it's seen as overindulgence. More on that later. Origin and history of pamper. Now let's talk about where this word comes from, because that's always fascinating. The word pamper dates back to the 14th century and comes from the Middle English word pamperen, which means to indulge someone or treat them kindly. It's believed to have connections with the Dutch word pamperen, which also means to pamper or indulge. Over time, the meaning has remained fairly consistent, treating someone or yourself with luxurious care or comfort. So yeah, humans have been pampering each other for centuries. Next up, the different forms of the verb pamper. You have got to know these if you want to use it correctly. Base form, pamper. I like to pamper myself on Sundays. Present participle, pampering. She is always pampering her cat. Past tense, pampered. She pampered his mom on Mother's Day. Past participle, pampered. I have pampered myself with a spa day. See, pretty straightforward. You just have to know when to switch up the form based on the tense. Now let's look at some practical examples. Positive, negative, and interrogative sentences. Positive sentences. She pampers her child with love and care. After the promotion, he decided to pamper himself with a new car. Negative sentences. You shouldn't pamper him too much. He will become spoiled. I didn't pamper myself last weekend because I was busy. Interrogative sentences. Do you like to pamper yourself after a long day? Why do you think she pampers her dog so much? See how easy it is. Once you understand the structure, using pamper becomes second nature. Let's quickly talk about some common mistakes people make with the word pamper. Overusing it for things that are not indulgent. That's mistake 1. It's incorrect to say, I pampered my car with a new oil change. You should say, I treated my car to a new polish. Mistake 2. Confusing it with spoil. Pamper, to treat with care and luxury. Spoil, to overindulge to the point of causing harm. Pampering your child is okay. Spoiling them is not. So there's you have it. That's everything you need to know about the verb pamper, from its origin to its forms, and how to use it correctly. You are now ready to use pamper confidently in your conversations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss a video. And let me know in the comments, how do you like to pamper yourself? Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.